You said love is like a platform. People come, people go. Check the timetable, then they're gone before you know. Paper cup in your left hand, one-way ticket in your right. You kept staring at the clock like it owed you back your life. You asked me, are we meant to stay or just pass through on our way to something bigger, something new? This is a train station theory. Nobody's meant to live here. We're just waiting on a feeling, praying our ride appears. Some will miss it, some will make it. Some keep circling year to year. This is the train station theory, but I'm still standing here. I've watched strangers become stories just from sharing plastic seats. Saw a crying kid grow quiet, counting tiles beneath his feet. Old man folds a yellow postcard, tucks a ring back in his coat. Says she left from track 7, like the word itself caught in his throat. You told me every hello has a goodbye in disguise. So why's your shadow next to mine? This is a train station theory. Nobody's meant to live here. We're just waiting on a feeling, praying our ride appears. Some will miss it, some will make it. Some keep circling year to year. This is the train station theory, but I'm still standing here. What if this bench is the place we belong?